Hey everyone, it's Michelle from MBD Studio. I'm going to be showing you two features that I use all the time from Adobe Express for my YouTube shorts. Clip Maker and Caption Video. Both are hidden gems that most people don't know about, and they save me hours every week. Let me show you how they work. First up, Clip Maker. This tool automatically turns your long video into multiple social-ready clips. Perfect if you're creating content for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Start by uploading your video. Then choose your aspect ratio. I usually go with vertical for social media. Then you can choose to add captions automatically. I'll show you the caption tool in a second, but this is a quick option if you want everything done at once. Hit generate and Express will analyze your video and create multiple clips. It takes a minute or two, then you'll see your clips ready to go. What I love about this is that they're already animated with motion and transitions. You can preview each one to see which clip works best for your content. From here, you can either download them directly or open them in the editor if you want to tweak the animation, adjust timing, or add text overlays. I usually edit mine to update the animation style or adjust the pacing to match my brand. Now let's talk about Caption Video. This one's a lifesaver for adding captions to your videos automatically. Upload your video, just make sure it has a spoken audio track or the captions won't generate. Wait while it uploads and processes your audio. Once it's done, you'll see different caption styles to choose from. There are preset styles, but you can also customize the colors to match your brand. I like to update mine to match my channel colors. And if the AI misses a word or gets something wrong, you can edit the captions right in this window. Now here's the key part. You can download your caption video right away or open it in the editor for more control. I always open it in the editor because for social media, I like to move the captions up so they don't interfere with UI elements like profile icons or comment buttons. Just drag them to the top third of the video and make sure they look good and then download. So there you have it, Clip Maker and Caption Video. Two tools I use constantly for creating social content fast. If you're making Reels, Shorts, or TikToks, these features will speed up your workflow and keep your content consistent. Both tools are available right from the Adobe Express Start page. For more quick design tutorials, check out my Design in Minutes playlist. Don't forget to like and subscribe.